Check out all this fresh fish produce at the market here. Lots of prawns. See what a crab? Oh my god. Amazing. Prawns, you got crabs, lobster, calamari. Over here some more prawns and fish and amazing stuff. Here, there's my mate Salung. Here he is. Good boy. Sirum. Hello. There's Nong. Beautiful. And friend. Have a look here. Oh, what you get, honey, today? Some prawn? Fresh prawn? Oh my god. They have lots of crab there. Oh, fantastic. Look at this. And, oh, beautiful. Thank you. Oh my god. It's amazing. So much. Show you this side as well. Oh my god. God. Beautiful. Oh my god. Fantastic. Amazing. Look at the crab. My goodness. You have lobster, sir? Yeah. Lobster? No, not today? My goodness. That's